For my model of instruction, I'll be using the Flipgrid to teach my Grade 5 physical education class. I chose to use this model because I think it is one of the simplest yet very effective models. The unit that will be covered is locomotor skills, which include hopping, galloping, running, sliding, skipping, leaping, and walking. The overall unit objective is for the students to learn the different locomotor skills and to be able to execute them properly. I will do this through the Flipgrid, where I'll upload instructional videos of the different locomotor skills. The students will be required to review videos and can ask questions on the discussion board before class. This way, they will learn how to properly perform the different locomotive movements with the correct technique. The content standards for this lesson are from the Society of Health and Physical Education, also known as SHAPE, which are the national standards and grade level outcomes for K-12 physical education. The standards are listed in the Grade 5 column highlighted here. Thank you.